I'm not working, but somebody is doing dishes. Hi, Bug. Are you doing dishes? Can you show me what you're washing? Let's see. What's Dash does a lot of. He likes.
You know that when he was
playing.
washing, he tried to get into there to get something, and he pushed his chair away, and he was hanging from his tummy.
Oh, just hanging on the wall right here?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Dash, you gotta be careful, Bug.
No chair behind him.
Now, while we do dishes, we often drink what's out of the faucet. He's busy. Aboy's cooking in the kitchen. This is our Fridays, which I love so much. It smells wonderful in here. Dash is happy. He's home.
Always happy.
Mommy is early, off work. She gets to spend time with Dash.
The sun came out.
The sun came out. Food is cooking. It smells delicious. Ah, wonderful Aboy cooking. You want some apple?
For my plate.
For your plate, okay. Well, let's see. What are we making? Are there carrot pieces in here? Where did they go? He's busy. When he does dishes, he's very busy. But do you know I love you so much?
Did you call your dad?
Oh, thank you for reminding me. I need to do that right now. Bugs, I love you. Look at me. Can you look at Mom? I love you. Oh,
Are you going to be a good cook, Dash? Yeah. Maybe he turns out to be a chef.
I would love that. Oh my gosh. Anything artistic.
It's a very hard life, though.